Take a look at these two pieces of student work. Look back at the work that you did for this problem. Which piece of student work do you agree with? Student A or student B? When you have a decision, hide your answer in your lap. Get ready to show A or B high above your head, just like we did earlier. Get ready. Show. Some friends are showing A, some students are showing B. Which student do you agree with and why? If you're a friend that agrees with student B, you're correct. This friend represented and realized that 6 represented the part of the Swedish fish that was left in the bowl, and 12 represented the part of the Swedish fish that Miss Howard took out. We can put all those parts back together to solve for the fish that were in the bowl to start. This friend made a mistake because they thought that the 12 Swedish fish that Miss Howard took out represented all the fish that she had. That doesn't make sense because there were 2 parts, the amount of Swedish fish that Miss Howard took out and the amount of Swedish fish that was still left in the bowl after she took some out. As you represent today, remember to think, what in the story represents the whole and how do I know? And what in the story represents the parts and how do I know?